Little update on the 2004 Nissan. So I changed the hoses for the transmission fluid underneath there. Had to take the fan out and had to dig this down. Before I put the battery in, I wanted to change the fuel filter, so I moved the stone aside, a bunch of it, and it's right underneath here. So here's the passenger side. It's underneath and it's tucked up under. And it's a real challenge to, in this situation at least. Let's see if I can, it's like right up in there, I think. Or no, is it? Yeah, I can't tell where I am. I think up in here. Or no, right up in there. So you can see from this side. So we got it in there. Got the hoses on as far as I could get them. I wanted to get them a little bit more, but you know, after a while you got to say, okay, they're on. And start it up. Sounded a little tough there for about 5 seconds, and then it got smoother, and let it run, and smoother yet, and we're ready to take it for its first drive down to pick up some caulking. So I think we're ready to go.